Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel How You Can Save Project on CapCut. Make sure you watch the video till the end and now let's start. First of all, on your desktop, either it might be MacBook or Windows, it will work same for both. Now go ahead and open CapCut on your device. After that, once you are on this home page, you will see that I already have a project saved here. So I will just delete this project. After that, let's create a new project by clicking on this option right here. Once you are at this home page, you need to import the media and then drag the media to your timeline and edit the video as per your need. Now if you want your project to be saved on your CapCut, so next time you open the CapCut, you want to continue that. For that, you can simply click on menu option that you will see at the top left hand corner. After you click on there, you will be loaded with multiple options, so you can just simply click on back to home page. Now you are back to your home page and you will see your project already saved on your CapCut. So if you just simply click on this project, it will automatically redirect to your editing process. And what if you directly close the CapCut? Would you be able to save your project? Because I'm on this same video. Now if I simply go and close the CapCut, your project will be automatically auto saved to CapCut. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.